Standard 6, Subject General Science, Lesson number 2, The Living World. Next point of the lesson, that is a cellular structure. Living things are made up of small units called cells. All living things are made up of cell. All actions and processes in the bodies of living things are brought about with the help of these microscopic cells. Some living things are made up of a single cell. These are called unicellular organism. What is unicellular organism? The organism which is made by a single cell is called unicellular organism. On the other hand, the living things that are made of many cells, that is more than two cells, are called multicellular organisms. The amoeba and some other microorganisms are unicellular. See, the picture of amoeba is shown. It is a unicellular organism. In that only one cell is present. While man, cow, mouse, cockroach, elephant, banyan tree, the onion plant, etc. are all multicellular organisms. All the characteristics of living things are seen in every cell of a living thing, whether it is unicellular or multicellular. Cellular structure is the main characteristics of living things, even though the number of cells may vary. See, all these are the living things. Some are made of single cell and some are made of more than two cells, that is multicellular. The institute that work for survey and conservation of the various plants and animals in different parts of India are the Botanical Survey of India and the Zoological Survey of India respectively. In case you find an unfamiliar plant or animal in your surroundings, you can communicate with these institutes to obtain more information about it. Now we have to learn about useful living things. Plants are used for household as well as industrial purposes. For example, fenugreek, that is methi, potato, okra, that is bhendi, apple, banana are used as a food, while wasaka, adursa, hirada, behada, asparagus are used as a medicine. These are the medicinal plants. Animals are also useful to us. Dogs, cats, cows, buffaloes are kept for domestic uses. Fish, sheep, fowl are used as food. While animals like horses, oxen, camel prove useful in various occupations and transportations also. The earthworm is a very useful in agriculture. That's why earthworm is always known as the best friend of farmer. Now, harmful living things. Some animals and plants around us are harmful to man. For example, mosquitoes and flies spread diseases. Cockroaches, mice, rats destroys our food. Lice, ticks also spread diseases. The bites of some poisonous lizards, spiders, snakes, and scorpions can even cause death. If wild elephants enter human settlements, they cause a lot of destructions. Some plants too can be helpful, as for example, the dodder paranthenium and the other weeds. Parts of the natural Colocasia leaves causing itching. Plants like oleander, lantana have strong odors. The datura plant is poisonous. See, this is the datura plant. And these are the Colocasia leaves which cause itching. Uncontrolled growth of fungi and algae in water pollutes drinking water and may cause the spread of diseases. Next point of the lesson, that is wild animal. Information about wild animal and the pictures of wild animals are shown here. Wild animals that hunt other animals for food are called predators. For example, tigers, lions, wolves, leopards. Sometimes due to deforestation, such animals enter human settlements in search of food and water. It may kill domestic animals or peoples too. Student, what we learn in this lesson, first point, growth, respiration, excretion, reproduction, responsiveness to stimuli, movement, a definite lifespan, and a cellular structure are the characteristics of living thing. Second, animals grow for a certain period of their life. Plants, however, grow as long as they live. Animals have specific organs for respiration, while plants respire through microscopic pores on their leaves and stems. The process of eliminating waste product from the body is called excretion. All living things have the ability to reproduce. That is the characteristics of living thing called reproduction. Living things move because of their ability to respond to stimuli. Plants show spontaneous movements, but they cannot leave their place and go elsewhere as animals do. Living things have a definite lifespan at the end of which they die. Many animals and plants are useful to us in our daily life. Some animals and plants can be harmful to us. The smallest unit of living thing is the cell. Thank you.